Greetings, my students. I hope everything is going okay for you today. I wanted to make this short video and go over some of the nice features that you have in ALEKS that you should be able to access so that you can get 100% on your objective homeworks. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm going to share with you my ALEKS screen on my ALEKS Objective 2 this week, so that you can take a look at what that looks like. So let me pause my personal screen so that you can see fully what's going on. Okay, so this is inside the objective homework that I have, and what I want to do is get 100% on all of these questions. So the first question says, what's the greatest donation amount in a month? So then I'm going to look to see what the highest bar is. All right, so now I'm on purpose going to make a mistake. So I'm going to pretend that I accidentally got the answer 3800. So 3800 would be the correct answer, but I'm going to pretend that I made a mistake. I didn't know what I was doing. So I did 3700 because I had a typo, right? The real answer is 3800, but I typed 3700. Okay, so then it says, when did the greatest increase in donations occur? So I look and I say, well, the distance from here to here is a decrease, and the distance from here to here is a decrease, and I'm looking for increase. And the distance from July to August is an increase, so that might be it. And the distance from August to September is an increase, so that might be it. But this one looks like it's the biggest, so it's from July to August. Okay, so I think I have the right answers, all right? Now remember, I've made a mistake, right? But I don't know that. So I click check, and it says, wait, I've answered my question incorrectly. Okay, so the way it works is I kind of have this little progress bar up here, right? And so I don't want to get too far away from getting the right answers, because if I do that, it's going to make me sort of do more work. But I should do as much work as I can in order to get the best answer. So I'm going to go back and look carefully and go, wait a minute. Oh, I made a mistake. I see the right answer should be 3800, right? Because this is 3,000, 3,100, 3,200, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Now I've got 38. All right, so I recheck. And it tells me that I've got the correct answer. And see how it gives me this progress that's positive. All right, so you know all that. Okay, so then I go to the next question. All right, so it kind of asks me the same type of question again, except for different scenario with the different numbers. All right, I want to go over a couple of things that I can do if I'm not sure how to answer this question correctly. So the first thing that I'm going to do is look at this explanation. So what the explanation does is it's sort of an overview of what the book, the ebook, has for us. So I click the explanation and I scroll down and I see this dotted line that tells me kind of where the answer would be, and I see an explanation of the decreasing, right? So there's information here that can help me understand how to get the correct answer. All right, so that's one way, as I look at the explanation. All right. Another way that I can get the explanation is I can go over and watch a video. So if I click on video, then I see the video series that's here, and I can play the video, right?
When the title of a book is Math,
this sort of mini lecture that shows me all of the topics that we're going to talk about in this particular objective number 2. And so I watched that video and can get information and see what an instructor has done for us and see what we have. Okay, so that's another way. Then I also have an ebook. So I can actually look at the textbook and click on the textbook, and an actual textbook will come up. And let me show you what that looks like. So this is my actual textbook, right? And I can read my textbook about all of that information and the subject matter that I want to look at. And I can look at the table of contents and see that, well, I'm in estimation here with the graph. And so I can read about the textbook. And also there is interactive spots that I can look at as well. All right. And then finally, what I can do is, if I still need help, I can click on the message center. And in the message center, I see that I have an email to Professor Hadley. And so I can write to Professor Hadley and say, help with homework. And then I can put a brief description here of what I need help with, and then click send. Right? And so I have several options in order to try to work my way through what I need to do for this course. And so I hope that these will be helpful to you. And if you have any questions, you can email me, of course, or you can use that message center. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you hopefully soon.